Namaste all of you. Today I am making Hariyali chicken. For that I am using 2 onions, ginger, garlic, tomatoes, and I made paste of mint and coriander leaves. Then I soaked cumin and dry chilli in hot water for 10 minutes. I am going to make paste of them. Then I am using salt, turmeric powder and dhania powder, that is coriander powder. And here you can see the chicken. I put some salt and turmeric powder over this. Then now next step is I'm going to grind tomato, ginger, garlic, cumin and this dry chili. So I'm going to make a paste of them. Now I'm putting the oil. I'm not using the khada masala because I'm going to use garam masala powder. So now I'm adding the onions. Just saute them for 2 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes, just fry them. Now you can see the onion is cooked. Now I'm going to add the paste. I'm cooking this masala for 3 to 4 minutes like that on medium flame. In this paste, coriander leaf should be more than the mint leaves. So with that you can make a paste. This paste will give a nice green color to the chicken. As you can see, the masala is cooked nicely. Now I am putting the powdered masala, salt, turmeric. Just mix them, saute for 1 minute. Now I am putting the chicken. Now you can see the chicken. Put the flame little high. You can cook on high flame for 2-3 minutes. Medium to high. Just after 2-3 minutes, put the flame cook on medium flame. Fry the chicken for 2-3 minutes more. Then after that I'm going to add water. Now you can see the oil started leaving oil. Now I am adding water. I'm going to cook it and I'm going to cover it and cook for 4 to 5 minutes more. So now I'm going to add this mint and coriander leaves paste in the chicken. You can see the chicken is cooked. You have to cook the chicken nicely. After adding this paste, only 2 to 3 minutes we have to cook. So you can now see, after adding the coriander and mint paste, it will look like this. So now I am putting little garam masala. So my Hariyali chicken is ready. After putting the mint and coriander paste, we can cook this chicken for 3-4 minutes, like you can cook, then it is done. My Hariyali chicken is ready. So my Hariyali chicken is ready to serve. I hope you will like this video. If I did some mistake in explaining, please sorry for that. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, friends.